As of November 27th, 2024, Heilongjiang province, particularly the city of Hegang, is experiencing a severe snowstorm, the most intense one this year. The snow depth has reached 37 centimeters, causing significant disruptions in daily life. Roads are blocked, flights have been cancelled, and schools are closed, creating challenges for the population. According to meteorological services, snowfall may surpass historical records, with even more complications expected in some areas. Due to these extreme weather conditions, the local authorities have issued a red alert, the highest level of warning for natural disasters. This means increased mobilization of resources to cope with the aftermath. People are facing power outages, transportation difficulties, and threats to infrastructure. Unfortunately, accidents have already occurred due to collapsing structures, posing a danger to local residents. If you're following this news and want to support those affected by the disaster, subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Your support can help raise awareness and resources for those in need.
I'm really grateful to each of you for watching my videos.